Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a vegan grocery haul and celery juice recipe. I also wanted to give you a heads up that you may not know I have a really great vegan soul food playlist on my channel. I know the holidays are fast approaching, so I wanted to let you guys know you can check out my vegan soul food playlist. It's full of amazing recipes like collard greens, candied yams, mac and cheese, black eyed peas, and many more. So definitely check that out. Starting off with tea, I have ginger green tea, kombucha green tea, which is so good for you. We all know it's loaded with antioxidants and lots of good stuff. Also, I have some fruit. So, starting off with the fruit, I have fruit salad, bananas, which I love to, once they're ripe, cut them up and freeze for smoothies. I have some raw organic protein and green shake. Once in a while, I switch it up and I get the protein and greens. And my favorite is actually the pure protein with the vanilla flavor. I really like that one from this brand. I find that this brand is really good when I'm just maintaining weight. When I'm losing weight, I like to use the one from doTERRA. It's their vegan shake. They have many different shakes, but their vegan shake is really good. It's low in calories. It's just what you need as far as protein. It doesn't have a lot of added anything else, and it's really clean. It's a really clean shake. I used it a few times over the summer, and I noticed that I was a lot slimmer, and I always have a shake every day, so I know that it has to be that shake that was part of that because it's lower in calories. So this shake is really a good meal replacement. This one here by Garden of Life, but it does have more calories and more just nutrients and different things in it. The one from doTERRA is super pure as far as does protein, couple vitamins, and low in calories. Also, I got some frozen strawberries, some apples, and clementines. I got some fruit garden salads, and these come in so handy when you just want to eat something quick. They're reasonable. I love how Whole Foods prices have come down significantly since they were acquired by Amazon. So I like to stop in or have groceries delivered and get some fruit salads from them. They have these with the cranberries, apple, blueberry, arugula, spinach, and walnuts. So it's a hearty salad. It has a lot of vitamins, nutrients, and protein. So this is something that's super satisfying that'll keep me full for a long time. See, that price was like $3 and change. Not bad for a pre-made salad with all of the work done already, everything cut up. Not too bad at all. So I got this salad dressing I tried. I ended up not liking it. I was surprised too because there's not much to it, but I didn't like it. But as far as the protein goes, I got these hot dogs. These are good. They're from Light Life. Very simple ingredients, not a lot as you would think a hot dog would have, but if you're gonna have a hot dog, definitely go for this vegan one. Super low in calories, only 60 calories, but a good amount of protein to keep you feeling full. I also got organic tofu. This one is extra firm, and this is really the only one that I tend to get. It is really great for tofu scramble. I'm going to put a recipe below of my tofu scramble. It's super delicious if you haven't tried it already. And what else do I like to make with this tofu? I like to make jerk tofu. So I cut it up in cubes, add all the seasoning, and then bake it or pan fry it. What else did I get? Oh, I got this 100% peanut butter. I really love this brand because it has no ingredients except for the peanuts. So I really like that. And their price is on point. It's not one of these like super expensive health brands. They're really doing a good job of keeping that price low, even though it's super clean, and I like them a lot. So I got these cashew snack packs. These are good to kind of keep you from just going at it, like my big bag of almonds. They're good for travel. You know, throw a little snack pack in your purse. So you're gonna be out and you're getting a little hungry. You can start snacking on those. And I already had this raw cacao on hand, but I just wanted to show you because it's so good. It's one of the things that I've been having almost every day. I really, really like it a lot. I'm like addicted to it. So I have it with a nice cup of almond milk, warmed up. I put a little bit of maple syrup in it, not too much, just to give it like a slight sweetness. And then I use a milk frother to froth the milk, and it's super delicious. So this is something I like to do in the evening. This is probably the last thing I have at night. I'll curl up on the sofa and put on some Girlfriends on Netflix and have this cacao with warm milk. So delicious and good for you. All right, let's start our celery juice recipe. So what you need is 7 stalks of celery. What I like to do is cut them up first before I clean them, because I find that it's a lot easier than pulling each one off and then rinsing it off and trying to fit it in the colander. So I'm cutting them up, and then I'm going to add them to the strainer and rinse them all up. So you're going to be adding all of your celery to your favorite juicer. This one that I have is really growing on me. It's very easy to use. It's kind of big, which I don't like, but I feel like it needs to be big to be powerful, because the little ones tend to be okay, but not able to handle really big jobs like celery, especially if you're juicing a lot of it. So this is what I'm using. If you want more information, I'll leave it in the description box below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do happen to purchase it with my link, I do make a small commission, just to let you guys know that. So what I'm going to use is this container. You want to choose a container that you like. You can do glass, you can do plastic, whatever you like, but definitely have a container ready for all of your juice. And this recipe is going to make about 3/4 of a gallon, so just keep that in mind. You'll need something about a gallon size, will be great. You're also going to need 4 clementines, 1 apple. You're going to go ahead and peel those clementines. You don't need to peel your apple. Just cut it up. You want to make sure it's cored, and add all of that good stuff to your juicer. Once you add all of that, you can just go ahead and pour it all into the same container. The juice is going to be really delicious and has so many different health benefits. I can't even tell you. I'm sure you've already heard of all of them, but I'll leave a little bit of information below if you're interested in some of the health benefits of celery juice. I like to add some variation to it just to make it not so salty tasting, because it's very salty tasting to me. And I don't mind the taste, but I just like a hint of sweetness. So I wanted to make sure I add this tip in. A super good tip when you make celery juice is to add a little bit of lemon juice, because lemon juice is a natural preservative. If you have salads that you're making for meal planning or dishes like that, raw dishes, you can add a little bit of lemon juice and it'll prolong the shelf life in your fridge. So keep that in mind. I am going to add about half a teaspoon of lemon juice to this mixture so that it'll last long, because I do want to drink it over 2 days. Don't forget to check out the vegan soul food playlist for all of your holiday food coming up, and also get your 10 easy steps to create a vegan meal plan on my website, naturalveganmama.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video.